So guys, there was a tornado that's gonna touch the ground in a couple of minutes. This is what it looks like. I think this is a supercell, but this is probably gonna most likely be tornado 4 of the day in RI. The other two were weak. The other one before I got off the bus was strong. It looked massive, but I couldn't picture it out because it was rain dropped everywhere. So yeah, I need to know what is Supercell producing its second one. Look to the east. Second one's forming right there, so you can get a clear glimpse of that day and night. That is a tornado gonna come down. This other one is coming over here. It's a supercell. I just found that out. It's a supercell. So guys, this is a supercell. You might wait. Breaking news, I think it might be on the ground. Look at those trees though. It's getting windy over here. It's not supposed to be. Oh yeah, because of those clouds over there. They're probably not gonna be us though. Hopefully not though. That's a supercell. The other one's over there. It's too far away to even see from there. Yeah, you can't even see it. Supercell, that thunderstorm already left us. But I think this right behind me could be a tornado. We have to find that out. But this other side is gonna do real damage. Okay guys, I'll update you.